Life without celebration, it's not life. Grab every opportunity in life to celebrate in life. One should be happy. It's important for us to be happy, to get away, to unwind from the mundane life, to unwind from the unexcitement in life. These days, special days, they let us know, they allow us to know the things that are actually important for us and they truly matter for us in life. Festivals are meant to rejoice these moments. So, Christmas in 2019 brings to us a colorful expression of red, green, golden and yes, blue along with it in 2019, focusing on aquarium hues and midnight blues. Actually, the name Christmas comes from the masked Christ, that is Jesus. So, on this day, it symbolizes a deep, important truth of spiritual awakening with personification of divinity. The day tells us that spiritual awakening comes to those who adopt simplicity, holiness, humility, humbleness and renunciation of all the worldly desires, wealth and comes with the pride of learning. Festival says to focus on prosperity and to focus on enlightenment. Ways can be different, but expression is always same. So, in southern India, people put oil lamps on the roofs, flat roofs of their houses to define that lightning comes God. God comes with lightning and vice versa. Some ways are different. Little children rejoice decoration of Christmas trees on this day. On the very other hand, people try uniting, bounding and coordinating with one another with a distribution of gifts. Yes. On the very other hand, others say it is Tulsi Divas. So Tulsi Pujan Divas, Holy Basil, Vrinda is considered to be the manifestation of goddess Vrinda as the consort of Lord Vishnu, and it is said that planting Tulsi and worshipping Tulsi on these days that brings prosperity. So people regard it as the earthly manifestation and believe that it is mandatory to offer something to the Lord with Tulsi. Tulsi Pujan Divas is an Indian festival, again planting and worshipping of Tulsi, but what we believe in actually to bring prosperity. While celebrating Christmas, what do we believe in actually to bring prosperity? So, to close up my words, what important is to bring prosperity to all, to bring peace to all, to bring enlightenment to all, to bring festive happiness to all, to bring relaxment to all, to bring away the unexcited things from the mundane life and to bring the enlightening, enriching and happy life again. This is what festival is. So, in all, a very blessed Tulsi Divas to all. In all, a Merry Christmas to all, an enlightened festival season to all, an enlightened relaxed day to all, to come away with excitement, to come away with happiness. As I am completing with my earlier line again, it is important for oneself to be happy. Why? Because it helps us to bring in prosperity. Because it helps us actually to understand the things that truly matter for us, that are actually true in life, which are needed for all of us. So Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to all. Blessed Tulsi Divas to all. Enlightened festive day to all. So let's promise to be happy. Let's make others happy. This December 25, let's pledge to make at least 10 people happy.